everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm just here to share a small collection that I'm going to be putting up in my Ko-fi. It will be a very, very cheap price, okay, just £1. And if you are a member, make sure you're logged in using your Ko-fi password and you will automatically get 25% discount at checkout, okay? So these are photos. Now, I've got heaps of photos on my Ko-fi of what I call standard Victorian or Edwardian photos. They're typically of beautiful white European women, aren't they, if we're honest? And I just wanted something a little bit more historically interesting and a little bit more representative. And so all of these photos are non-white European people, okay? So here we've got this beautiful black lady. Now, this is the original photograph. You can see it's a cabinet card. And here is the same photo which I enhanced using a app that I found. And I thought I was going to do that with all of the photos, but I didn't want anybody to think that they were AI, and I think when you mess about with things using apps, it can make things look a bit fake. But I left it there in case you want to use it and decided to leave all the rest in their original antique glory. All I've done is lightened and brightened and sharpened them. So all of these I found through trawling through online digital libraries. There's a couple from the graphics fairer. They also use genuine vintage items as well. So I can't help but let my mind wander as well with these photos. Who the people were, what were they called, what were their lives like, and I can wander away in my own world. So here's a fantastic photo of a choir in New Orleans. We've got some gentlemen and some ladies there, and that looks like a much younger child. And then here we've got what I believe in my imagination is a mother and son. And then here I found a couple of photos, interesting ones, of First Nation people. So this is a collection of men sat having the photo taken in all the glory. And I just thought it was really interesting. Your lovely, beautiful Edwardian ladies, it's all fantastic in your journals, but sometimes I just want a bit more. Want a bit more out of life. And like I say, I'm a historian. That's what I studied, and I just find it so interesting. Okay, so we've got some lovely children here, and this young lady here, I believe, is from India. Just by how she's dressed and her jewels, and my experience of Indian people or descendant from Indians in my country, I believe that she is from India. Okay. Either way, I thought she was fabulous, and I thought it was a fabulous photo. We've got a lovely lady here holding a baby. She's so beautiful. Her face is so perfect and just beautiful. And then here, I love this photo. I loved all of the mottling and the true vintage look of it. We've got another First Nation gentleman here holding what looks like a pipe, obviously purposely posing. I just think it's really interesting. We've got another lovely lady here. I put a new frame on her. And this fabulous lady here with a beautiful dress with the bustle, and I think that's a hat, and it'll be like ostrich feathers. Very, very fine. Very, very elegant. And then this lady here, I'm believing in my imagination, she's perhaps Turkish because of the moon and the stars in her hair. I could be wrong, but that's what my imagination's telling me. Some lovely children here. It's a beautiful, clear photo, even though it's extremely old. These are all like 1800s. That one's 1889. So they're all round about that period. She's absolutely stunning. I love it. Love, love, love. Dapper gentleman here with his handlebar moustache. Very, very lovely. And this lady here, I do feel a little bit like she's judging me. She's telling me off. She looks a bit stern. But how grand does she look there in her coat, which probably would, back in them days, would have been real fur. We'd be horrified by it now, but it was a it was a status thing, wasn't it? If you could afford to wear fur. Yeah. So anyway, we've got this lovely lady here. She's like a supermodel. She's beautiful. It's only small, but she's very pretty. And then this lady here again, probably some sort of fur on. And I've changed that a little bit because some of the frames on some of them were a bit dark and you couldn't see the writing. So this writing is original to her photo. I lifted the writing, put a new frame on, and then put the words back on. So there's been some, you know, I've not just copy and pasted. You know, I've spent like a day and a half, funnily enough, organising these. And then here we've got these two, and I can't help but think that they're like engaged. They're going out with each other because the photos are similar, you know, with that dreamy kind of a look. They probably never knew each other, but in my imagination, they're engaged to be married. I just think they're gorgeous. And how handsome is this gentleman? Very beautiful photographs. Another lovely lady there in dressed in the beautiful clothes of her period. It's stunning. I love it. Got a tiny waist. My waist isn't that thin. Another fabulous one. Beautiful. This is a one from the Graphics Fairy, and these are Spanish children, and I know that because the address of the photographer is Barcelona. And then here we've got another lovely one, First Nations. I found quite a few of First Nation people, but most of them were what I call situational photos, where they were, you know, cooking or sat talking and not like homed in on one particular person. And this was the only female one that I could find. I did only search for 2 days. I'm sure if I searched longer I'd find more, you know, or if I had the joy of being able to travel to the libraries, the physical libraries, and look through the physical collections, I'd get more, but I'm a bit limited. So, but I just think that those just add a little bit of something. They're there if you find them useful. I will be using them because I think they're fabulous. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description box below. If you would like them, go and grab them. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.